Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 11 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. Now, to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. Obviously, you're looking for a hotspot toggle, so if you don't see it somewhere on this page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you a second page where the toggle is located for me, as you can see right over here. Though, in my case, it is grayed out and I cannot toggle it on nor navigate to settings for some absolutely stupid idea or reason. So, in my case, I'm just going to navigate to the settings, through settings, instead of having the quick access like it should work. From here, I'm going to select connections and sharing and personal hotspot. And the reason it won't actually turn on or give me the settings is because if I try to turn it on, you can see that I do have a what is it called? Turn off personal hotspot. Data saving will be turned off. So in here it gives me this pop-up which I can select it and it works, but it for some stupid effing reason wouldn't allow me to do so from here. So fantastic design. Up yours, Realme, I guess, for this absolutely annoying design. Now keep in mind, almost no other phone works like that. If you have some kind of data saver, I don't think it should get in the way, though that being said, Samsung has it done even worse. So I guess Samsung takes the biggest L home. But anyway, going back to the hotspot, once you actually manage to get rid of the data saver, you can turn it off, and now we can navigate into these settings right over here and select our hotspot password, and by default it will be randomly generated, so I do recommend navigating here and changing it to something more manageable and easy to remember. I'll be choosing my super secure password, 1 through 8. It needs to have at least 8 characters in length, at which point you will be able to save it by tapping on a check mark. And that's really all you need to do. And from there you can toggle it on from here, or you can also do so now from the actual toggles right here in the notification panel. Now, one last thing that I'm going to mention is when you enable your hotspot, it will use a little bit more of your battery life. So once you're done with it, you probably might want to remember to turn it off afterwards by tapping on it once again. Otherwise, it would just be running in the background indefinitely till you turn it off. So, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.